Hello everyone, I am Sanadani from Team Tech Ninjas of F section. I am here to introduce our product Aerocage, which is an alternative to plastic packaging. First, let us talk about the problems caused because of using plastics. Plastic is something which every one of us use in our day-to-day lives because it's more convenient and cheap. We know that it is non-biodegradable in nature and hence its accumulation will cause a lot of pollution. And another main problem is when the hot food is being packed in these plastic containers, they cause cancer and many health related issues. So keeping all this in mind, we came up with the solution which is biodegradable and non-toxic. And that's how we came up with our product Aerocage, which is containers made up of Areca leaves. The advantage of this product is that it is straight away from the nature, so it is biodegradable, and another added advantage of this product is that it can hold liquid contents up to 4 hours. So talking about the target market, our product mainly focuses these hotels and food related industries where the food is being delivered at our doorstep. And the other markets will be, there are various markets all over the world. So when it comes to the business model, the main channels through which our products can reach our customers are through the online platforms, through wholesale shops and the retail shops. Key partners without whom coming up with this product wouldn't be a very good deal is the Areca farms, from where we get the Areca leaves, and the Areca industries where these Areca leaves are molded into desired containers. So cost structure. So thinking about starting a business initially, the one-time investment for the machines will come around 4 lakhs. Then in case we are hiring 5 people to work in our industries, their per month salary will come around 50,000. And then the building rent per month will be 10,000. Transport expenses, which include the fuel expenses and vehicle rent, will come around 25,000 per month. And then electricity will come around 5,000 per month if we are operating the machines 3 to 4 hours a day, and our monthly budget will be around 5 lakhs. So the market strategy in 2020, in case our annual sales is around 7,000, the earnings which will our earnings will be 70,000 annually. And then in 2021, if our annual sales is increased to 8,000, the annual earnings will be rupees 96,000, and so on goes for every year, and our average annual profit will be around 25,000. So competitive landscape, we are not the first ones who have come up with this product. There are several industries all over the country who have already manufactured containers out of these Areca leaves. The thing is that it has not yet reached the people because of the existence of plastic, which is more convenient and cheap, as everyone say. So two such industries are the Shree Areca leaf plates and the BioWorld. Shree Areca leaf plates was started in the year 1997, and their market mainly focused South India, including the states which include Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and they have an annual turnover of around 75 lakhs to 1 crore. And talking about BioWorld, they have an industry experience of around 6 years. So the market opportunity, according to the Entrepreneur India reports from entrepreneurindia.co, India has been exporting huge quantities of containers made up of Areca leaves to the countries all over the world, where USA stands the first, and then Netherlands and many other countries. So these are my team members who have been, we've all been working right from the beginning in interviewing people regarding how waste is disposed in various sectors, including medical field, electronics field and in the hotels. And then we realized that plastic is a major unit in the disposed waste. And on analyzing, we came to know that most of these plastics come from the food related industries where the packaging of food is done. So in order to reduce the use of plastics in our day-to-day life, we came up with our product Aerocage, which is a natural product, which is straight away from the nature. It is biodegradable in nature and is also non-toxic when it comes to packing hot food items. Thank you.